Dayle Haddon, the iconic Canadian supermodel known for her timeless beauty and trailblazing career, has tragically passed away at the age of 76. She was found dead Friday at a home in Solibri Township, Pennsylvania, where she was staying with her daughter, journalist Ryan Haddon, and son-in-law Hallmark actor Mark Blucas. Initial reports suggest the cause was suspected carbon monoxide poisoning, with a malfunctioning heating unit believed to be to blame. The discovery was made after first responders found a man unconscious in the suite, later realizing that Haddon was still inside, and she was pronounced dead at the scene. A beloved figure in the fashion world, Haddon graced the covers of Vogue, Elle, and Cosmopolitan, and was a longtime spokeswoman for major brands like Revlon, Estee Lauder, and L'Oreal. But her legacy extends far beyond the runway. Her daughter described her mother as a woman of power and kindness, deeply creative and a champion for others. Haddon was also a passionate philanthropist, serving as a UNICEF ambassador and founding the charity Women Won, which focused on education for girls worldwide. Her final Instagram post, just days before her passing, spoke on combating ageism in fashion, reflecting her lifelong dedication to empowering others. Dayle Haddon's legacy will continue to inspire generations.